What's up, guys, and welcome back to Counter Steer Garage. I hit a cone.
Your bumper is gone. It's cracked and half. You might want to rip it off before you do another run.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, no, it's gone.
And then I JB welded it. But then I hit another cone. So today we're gonna do a permanent fix. No, not replacing the bumper. That would make too much sense. We're gonna drifter stitch it. Let's go. So it still fits pretty well. I wish I didn't use JB weld to start, and I wish I kind of just drifter stitched it from the beginning, because this looks like shit, but you know, live and learn. If anybody's got any ideas for getting this JB weld off, I don't think it's even possible, but if anybody's got any ideas, hit me in the comments. Let's get this mocked up. We want to start by kind of laying this on the bumper, getting the crack as tight as possible, and we're gonna use some masking tape to hold it up, and then we'll start with a drifter stitch top and bottom, just to kind of hold it and then see what happens. So now we've got it somewhat situated. Gonna kind of run some tape all the way down the crack. As we press it on, we can see the crack still. Now, the smallest zip ties you have will work. You don't really need super long boys. The thinner ones will look better anyways. My workbench is a mess, don't mind it. So now the idea here is we want to choose a drill bit that is about the same width as the zip tie. And as you can see, I've broken a few, but this one looks like it's gonna be pretty spot on. Looks like a 3/16. Cool. Let's go back to the car. All right, back at the car, and we're gonna start by drilling some holes. Now we have some tape running down the crack. This is to protect the paint from the bumper. But, you know, in my situation, we don't really have to worry. We want to go in a nice square pattern. We want to stay a good 1/2 inch off the crack so that you have a good amount of plastic to drill into and to bite into. So let's drill some holes. Okay, so we've got a good amount of holes drilled. Because of the weird shape of this crack, I'm gonna pull the tape off now and start drifter stitching at least the top and work my way down, just to keep some semblance of structure to this thing. Make sure the zip part goes underneath. We're just gonna do this in an X pattern. And it's gonna kind of dangle, but we'll get a little bit more structure the farther we go. Good, good. We'll do the same at the bottom. Can't make a video without a ton of bird noise in the background. I don't understand it. I need a shop. Hey, can you subscribe so I can get myself a shop? That'd be great, thank you. So we're fully stitched. She's pretty solid. We just gotta go behind, tighten all of these that have a little bit of play left in them, get this thing real solid, and then we're done. Okay, they are all tight. We got a lot of fingers back here that we gotta trim. So let me go get my flush cutters. We'll trim these up and we're done. There's a lot of zip ties in here. No shit. So that's it, it's done. It's solid, ready to hit some more cones. I don't think this corner is gonna come off again. I think we're pretty good on hitting cones this time. So I'm not super worried about this, but you know what happens? Now I have street cred because I have a sweet drifter stitch here. And now you know how to do a drifter stitch yourself. So if this video helps you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.